It seems there's a great concern all over the world as the first waves of climate change start to impact countries, and our continued population growth puts more and more pressure on our finite resources. Over the past few decades, an unimaginable amount of studies and data have clearly defined trends and made accurate predictions as to our changing global climate. Most of these predictions have been met with concern and calls for action, but as well-intentioned as those voices have been, we have failed to really address core issues as to how we are going to respond to these generational threats. At Energime, we thought, what if we could give a generation of young people the gift of foresight? What if we could create a game that would train students across different countries and cultures to imagine what that new world would be with all its challenges and opportunities? What if they knew in advance how their regional climate was going to change? If they knew how their resources were going to be in short supply and what services would be in highest demand? What if they had a clear vision and knowledge of the new technologies that were being developed to address those needs? How would those things impact their lives? And more importantly, how would that affect the choices they would make? That gift of foresight is the greatest gift we could possibly give our young people. We face substantial challenges due to climate change and increasing consumer demand for our limited resources. Yet we are also presented with a singularly unique economic opportunity. For example, how we raise food, manage water supplies, create and distribute energy, or manage our waste. New sustainable communities and cities will need to be designed, planned, new industries will be developed, and new technologies will emerge. And we will require a new generation of educated and trained students to create that workforce. The Sustainable Planet program has been created for this reason. Sustainable Planet is an experiential virtual educational tool. With it, students develop future communities facing the same challenges that those communities will most likely face in the future. Using Sustainable Planet, students can test out their ideas and strategies as to how best to solve these complex issues. They can problem solve as part of an expanded global team of young people from different countries and cultures. Together, they will work to solve these challenges as they learn the values of mutual support and collective action. Every student will be able to imagine their unique career path and the steps and choices they will have to make to take advantage of these new opportunities. For example, as an entrepreneur investigating what products and services will be of need, or as a government official researching land management, infrastructure, and trade policy, or as a scientist working on new technologies needed to solve these challenges, or as an engineer working on issues of city planning, or as a farmer working on emerging food production strategies and protocols. Sustainable Planet is an opportunity to unite a generation of humanity through education on sustainable and regenerative economic development globally.